Why is China winning in manufacturing and trade? Because it mastered the boring stuff that moves everything. Ship lanes, ports, and timing. I'll keep it simple. Manufacturing advantage comes down to cost, speed, and certainty. China built all three into its coastline. First, scale. China didn't just add factories, it stacked entire supply chains next to deep water ports. Pearl River Delta, Yangtze. River Delta, Bohai Rim clusters where parts assembly, packaging, and customs live within an hour of a key. That means a prototype can become a mass shipment with almost no dead time. Second, ports that behave like factories. Shanghai, Ningbo, Zhoushan, Shenzhen, Guangzhou. These aren't just big, they're optimized. Automated terminals, yard cranes, Chinese manufacturers, 24/7 customs, standardized data links with carriers. The result, lower dwell times and fewer missed sailings. When a container spends less time sitting, the product inside is more competitive. Third, the ship lanes. Most of global trade rides the water. China sits on the superhighway between the Pacific and the Indian Ocean, through the South China Sea Strait of Malacca. Megaships run direct services to LA, Long Beach, Rotterdam, Singapore. Bigger ships mean lower cost per box, and China fills them reliably because it concentrates so much production at the coast. Fourth, feeders and rivers. The Yangtze is a conveyor belt. Barges move containers from inland factories in Wuhan, Chongqing, straight to Shanghai's deep water. That's cheap, predictable, and integrated with ocean schedules. So inland doesn't mean isolated. Fifth, shipbuilding and bargaining power. China builds a massive share of the world's container ships and bulk carriers. Owning the supply of ships and port equipment isn't just pride. It squeezes costs and secures capacity when space is tight. Sixth, trade infrastructure policy. Free trade zones, bonded logistics, export tax rebates. Lane guarantees keep paperwork fast and cash flows smooth. Carriers get certainty, factories get slots, buyers get delivery windows they can plan around. Seventh, redundancy. If Ningbo slows, Shenzhen Qingdao can pick up. Put it together, and you get a flywheel. Reliable lanes pull in carriers. Carriers bring schedules that factories can trust. Trust unlocks investment, increases volume, lowers cost, attracts more orders. So why is China winning? Because it treats maritime transportation as part of the factory floor. Containers are inventory in motion. Ports are assembly lines for time. And ship lanes are the arteries that keep the whole system alive. If you want to compete, don't just build plants, build pathways to the ocean that run on clockwork. In trade, the fastest product isn't always the cheapest, but the product that never waits, that one usually wins.